This is the lecture on creating HTML file and Python. First of all, to create a HTML file, we open the variable .html in write mode, as I told in my 8 section in basic Python, that how we create a file, simple file, by using a write mode and read mode. In the second step, the start HTML, and next start head. Within a head we should also write the titles, and what write the title what you want, and within a body. Okay, within a body we have HTML, and we add start and titles. When we all these started, now the last point is a close the head, which we started in here by using slash here. The second, close the title, write the title and body, close the body, and close the HTML file which we started in here. Okay, let's do a practical example and produce a one HTML file in a Python. Okay, in this tutorial we create a HTML files by using a Python 3.8. And first of all, by in our write mode, we should open and put a file which we want to produce, like hi.html dot and write mode. In the second step, we put sv.write. Inside the write, within a double commas, that within a double commas, first we start HTML, then we start a head, then we start a titles, like slash n. We use here to give a proper codings and within a proper lines. And when the title start, and within a title we write a title like hello world, and then close title, close ahead. Now this is our portion of ahead. Now the body is starting from here. You can see that the start body and close a body. And if you want to write something inside a body, then you should introduce h1 here and h1 in here, and inside these h2 ones within a body, you can write what you want, like hello my love, how are you, you are, let's see. Okay, and the body is closed and final HTML close. And in the third step, you should close your files. Okay, when you right click here, okay, you change the name here, that uh, new.html. Okay, then right click and write these files. Then you can see that in a project, this HTML file, this is automatically produced. Double click here, and right, this is our new files of HTML. And go to a browser here. If you click here browser, then it give me a values, like you can see here that hello words, this is our title, and inside body, that this is our returns, like okay, the one thing that and we not close HTML like propers. We go back and close this. Okay, if you again run this program, like run again, and you can see that this is automatically close, and this produce also the same result as the first one, like this. Okay, if you uh, happy with this video, please share and subscribe my channel.